All right, here's an update on the 800-gallon pot. I tore out a whole bunch of the sunflowers that were over here and some of the weeds, and left like some of the grass and other things, but you can see we got these giant sunflowers that are doing really good. We got this pumpkin coming out right here. No pumpkins yet, but there's plenty of flowers. Tomato. More tomatoes. That looks like a squash. It's looking really good. This stuff I've been pulling out, and I think that's ragweed. Got a little corn. Not much of that stuff, but potato plant. Something's been devouring these. I don't know. I think it's grasshoppers, but just loving on the tomato plants. I don't know if we got anything back here, but something's eating this. Probably a grasshopper or I don't know. It's probably a grasshopper. More damage from the grasshoppers on my potatoes. Yep. Some cucumbers back there. More ragweed. Oh yeah, and there's onions and stuff all throughout here. Potatoes again, getting eaten up. More ragweed. Another potato, and looks like a squash. And some really healthy mushrooms from the Hugelkultur compost. But all right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.